Aspect called Poisson process. We have looked at Poisson distribution, which was a part of our discrete distribution. What was that Poisson distribution used for? We have primarily used it to model the number of claims or number of something in some unit of time, in 1 day or per 6 hours or whatever it is. So number of claims in 1 month, in number of claims in 1 day per unit of time. So whenever we are talking of modeling per unit of time, probably you can use the Poisson distribution. So there the time unit is constant. Whereas if I make the time unit variable, so which means in some time t, like I know that there are some kind, I know that the number of claims per hour is 5. Then if I want to model the number of claims in 5 hours, what is the chance that there are not more than 10 claims in 5 hours? So for those kind where the t is a variable, I can model for half an hour. Though I know the information that per hour I get 5 claims, I can model for half an hour, I can model for 10 hours, I can model for 200 hours. So that is where we are calling that extension of the Poisson distribution, because Poisson distribution is more focused on per 1 unit of time. But that if that time itself can be made as a variable, we are calling it as a Poisson process. So we are saying the number of claims or any event in some time t, not per unit of time. So whenever we have a parameter called lambda for a Poisson distribution, that is per unit of time, what you can do is lambda t, you can make it as a parameter for your Poisson process. So that lambda can be either increased or decreased for your Poisson process. Like this, if you take this example like this, the number of deaths among the retired members of a pension scheme occurs at the rate of 5 per month. So the average rate is around 5 per month. So what I am saying, lambda is equal to 5 as per this Poisson distribution. Lambda is equal to 5. But he is saying calculate the probability of 18 deaths in 5 months. So here I need 5 months. Right. So probably the lambda t which I am taking, I can directly take it as 25. 5 per month. So the average is 25 per 5 months. That is what I am taking as a Poisson process.